So with improper fractions, so say we've got something like this, 11 tenths. Let me draw I can draw a circle, or for fractions, I can also draw fraction bars. Since we've been working with fraction bars, let's do that. Okay, here's my fraction bar. That's 1, but if I want to, I can say, now that's 2 pieces. Okay? What we got there? 4. These are not the most equal. Let me see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So, in order for this to be one whole, I'd have to have 10 of these. That's what the bottom number tells me. So, this was 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. Okay, now I'm just going to do this one a different color, but it's still 1/10. I did that one a different color because I want you to know that how many does it take to make a whole one when we divide by tenths? Huh? 10. And I've got 11, so I've got more than one whole. That's the same thing as this, guys. Say, that's right. So now I have one whole here, one whole, and then I have 1/10. Okay? Okay, guys, so you see how this right here is this is 11 tenths, and this is 1 and 1/10. Are they the same thing?
Yes.
Yes, they are. They're the same. Now, what I want to show you how to do is how to change an improper to a mixed number. Mixed number meaning that it has a whole number and it has a fraction number with it. So, right here, let's change, this actually is a division problem. And it's the same thing as saying this. Just think of it as the top number falling into the house. And I would say, how many groups of 10 do I have in 11? How many tenths do I have in 11? I have 1. And 1 times 10 is 10. And I subtract and I get 1. That means that I have 1/10 left over. And so I'd bring that 1 up here. And that 1 is a what? It's a tenth. Okay? So it's 1/10. That's how you change a improper to a mixed number. Show you one more time. So I have 11 tenths, just like this. The 11 falls into the house. And how many groups of 10 do I have in 11? I've got one group of 10. And 1 times 10 is 10. And I subtract, I have 1 left. And it's actually a 1/10 that's left. It's 1 piece, just like this right here, of the 10th. Now, if I wanted to change this back into an improper number, it's basically, this 1 represents that I have 1 whole tenths. I have 10 times 1, which is 10 tenths, plus I have 1 more, which is 11 tenths. That's how you change that back.